What up, bros? Doing a little update for you guys, telling you guys what I've been up to during this little shutdown situation, okay? I've just been chilling, trying to stay productive. I hope you guys are trying to stay productive and staying healthy, okay? I appreciate Mike, okay? Mike, local homie, Evil Monkey, works at a hospital. He's doing tech at a hospital. I can only imagine how stressful that is over at that hospital right now, trying to work with people and trying to keep your distance and stay safe and stuff like that. So I appreciate Mike for that. Besides that, I've just been doing random stuff. I've been printing stuff for my one wheel. These are flight fins. Actually, these are foot holders for the one wheel. If you guys have a one wheel, you know what these are. Pretty dope. Instead of $100, these guys were like, I don't know, it's got to be like under $20 for a set. And I'll probably leave that link down below if you guys want to print some yourselves. Besides that, we've been trying to fly lately. I'm trying to get out as much as I can by myself, maybe one other person, chilling. But besides that, just keeping it low key. That's pretty much it. If you guys need e-cig juice, e-cig of Denver is still open. They're doing curbside service, so call them up and ask for your CBD, your juice, your mods, your batteries, whatever you guys need. e-cig of Denver will hook it up with that curbside service. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you guys are bored, cruise over to Netflix, check out Trailer Park Boys, and it's a good time. It's a good goof and a couple good gaffes, and it's like 10 seasons of a bunch of craziness, so it's pretty funny. Go check out what's that show called? Tiger King. Okay, if you guys haven't seen it, you've probably seen some memes on Facebook. Good stuff with Tiger King. Crazy situations, a bunch of crazy shenanigans with Tiger King. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoy this little flow at this park for now, and yeah, let's get right into it later.
Oh, that's sick.